Hello, my name is Raymond Manka. I am the proud principal here at New Milford High School. It's both an honor and a privilege to be able to work with your children and this amazing staff on a daily basis. I've been a resident of New Milford for about 20 years now, and I've got 3 of my own children, 1 who's graduated and 2 currently are here, and I truly love working with your children in our community on a daily basis. Something that we're focusing on this year at New Milford High School is increasing the sense of belonging. We want something here for every one of our students, whether that's the academic classroom, teams of sports, theater, or chorus. We also want to make sure that we've got the proper support staff in school should any of our students need anything. So belonging is a major theme that we're focusing on this year. In addition to that, and inside the classroom, we strive to make our experience to allow your children to access the curriculum an engaging one. We focus on the instructional core, where our teachers will help our students access the curriculum and provide engaging and enriching tasks to be able to show their authentic work. Today, you'll continue to hear from many of our other support team here at the high school, including our assistant principals that work with your children. I'm proud of them, I'm proud of our work together, and I'm looking forward to a great school year. Thank you, and go Green Wave.
Hello, New Milford High School parents. My name is Kevin Best. I am an assistant principal that oversees Alpha Range A through G, last name. I also oversee the English and Math department here at the high school. I'm excited to welcome all parents to the 25-26 school year, and students, obviously. And the thing I'm going to talk about today is about having that sense of belonging, getting involved. We at New Milford High School have over 70 clubs and activities currently available for our students to take. But if we don't have something that interests your son or daughter, come talk to me and I'll make sure that we get that in place so your kid feels a sense of belonging and has something to go to. In addition, I oversee our Wingman program, which is a student-led program that is about inclusivity and empathy. This happens once a month, where students grades 9 through 12 are randomly assigned to classes, and student leaders lead programs on topics such as inclusivity, empathy, ideal school, what are the things that drive your soul, just kind of getting them to interact and feel a sense of belonging as well. A final program that I want to talk about is our peer-to-peer mentorship, and that is about a junior that is a mentor for mostly our incoming freshmen. So if you have a 9th grade student that would benefit from having a mentor, reach out to me. Again, Kevin Best, BESTK at newmilfordps.org, to let me know that, hey, my child would benefit from having a mentor. This is a one-on-one mentorship, and they talk about everything from academics to getting acclimated to the school environment, getting involved in clubs and activities, and a whole slew of other ideas. Again, welcome to this great family, and have a great year.
Good morning, this is Mr. Blake. I'm one of the 3 assistant principals at New Milford High School. I oversee students with the last name H to O. También yo hablo español y tenemos un otro video en español si prefieres eso. I'm here today to talk about On Track. On Track is what our students need to do every year to meet our goal of graduating college and career ready in 4 years. It's a simple A, B, C, D. A is academics. 6 credits a year is a must to meet our 25 credit total for graduation. B is B here. We're shooting for 95% average daily attendance. C is community. We want every student to be involved in at least 1 co-curricular activity. And D is do the right thing. So no suspensions in or out of school. I look forward to another great year at New Milford High School.
Hello everyone, I'm Meg Dwyer. I am one of the assistant principals here. I oversee Alpha Range P through Z, but I'm looking forward to working with all of our students this year. Just a couple of things that I oversee and I look forward to working on throughout the year with our students and staff. One of the most important things we do on a daily basis is our advisory and flex. Flex is a great opportunity for students to check in with their teachers, join clubs, get extra academic help, meet up with some friends. Most important thing for Flex is that we all get involved. Get involved with something now, build that resume, join our community, and if there's something out there that we don't have that you want here at New Milford High School during Flex, come talk to me and we can get that added to our rotations. I also have the opportunity to work on some of our career pathways and readiness programming. I work really closely with our school counseling department, our career pathways coordinator, Mr. Steve Culberson, and the Career Center to make sure that students are thinking about how the decisions they're making in high school impact what they might be doing in their post-secondary plans. There's going to be a lot of great field trips this year, guest speakers, and opportunities for workshops to help students explore possible career opportunities post New Milford High School. In addition, I have the opportunity to oversee the World Language Department, the Fine Arts and Performing Arts Department, the PE and Health Department, the School Counseling Department. If you have any questions in any of those departments at any time, don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'm looking forward to an outstanding year with all of you. Let's go Green Wave.
Hi everyone, my name is Keith Lipinski. I am the athletic director here at New Milford High School. We currently have 28 programs here at the high school, many of them having multiple levels, where we usually have between 550 and 600 student athletes participating in our athletic programs. We will always have a preseason sport meeting before every season where you'll have the chance to get some information from the athletic department and a chance to meet our coaches in those preseason meeting nights. As far as information for the athletic department, if you go onto the high school website under athletics, you will be able to find information on scheduling, registration, and coach contact information if you need to reach out to a coach with a question. One of our biggest points of emphasis here at the high school is sportsmanship, and we ask that all of our spectators and all of our student athletes represent the high school and our New Milford community the right way, where we are being respectful to the officials, to the coaches and the players, and to the other spectators that are there in those events. Our big three are be kind, be positive, and cheer for your team. As far as everything else goes, we are looking forward to a great school year and hope to see you out supporting New Milford Athletics. Go Green Wave.